Hi, Bricky. Say hi to the Unins. Hi. And Whiny Butt. Toby, stop, dude. Please. Stop. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you.
So, Michelle and I just went to Target. And we got some great stuff. We looked at shoes, and they ended up not being as cool as we thought they were going to be. Sad day at Target.
She's never vlogged before, Eminence. She's so nervous. It's so cute. You're like, I don't know what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about shoes. So this is what happened with shoes.
Yay! You're driving. Give me that. Dangerous. Just dangerous.
You seem so uncomfortable in the camera.
I am uncomfortable. But oh well. What else did you buy at Target?
By the way, this is Loof. We came up with that nickname.
Well, we're both Loof. I'm Brooke. This is Michelle, obviously. And our nickname for each other is Loof.
Which is like...
Not Loofah. Not Loofah. Loof.
Like L-U-F.
We are not each other's loofah.
But, no, we came up with that nickname in 8th grade? Is it 8th grade? Or was it 9th?
9th grade.
Okay, so we came up with
Oh, yeah, 9th grade English class.
Okay.
Yep. So
we came up with that nickname in 9th grade, and it's just kind of stuck. So every single time, like, we see each other, we call each other Loof. So if you hear that a lot, now you guys know the little backstory. It's pretty much like we were trying to come up with like a name for each other because we're like best friends attached at the hip. So we came up with Loof, and it pretty much means like best friend lovers, like not in that way or anything, but like we love each other as best friends. So
we're like sisters.
You look so awkward at the camera because you're like, oh.
Recording. It was a Loof attack. Oh, Auntie's too sweet. Oh.
I'm saying goodbye.
Not goodbye, just say till next time.
Yes, till next time.
Michael doesn't like the
I never say goodbye to any of my friends. Never. Family or friends.
Like saying actual goodbye, but he always says later, so now I never say bye.
But that hug was cute. Can I get a hug too? Hold on. Fine, you just take it. How's the whole college thing going?
Oh, it's going good.
You almost done with it?
I know. I have 2.5 years left.
I know. Whitney said she just finished up her 2-year thing last week or whatever.
Well, I'm going to have my associates, but I'm going for my bachelor's, so I still have, I have a ton of art classes I have to take, so it's going to take me another semester, so it's going to be 2.5 years.
Damn.
That's not bad, though.
At least I'm going to have my BSc in art education.
You gonna be a teacher?
No. So you know how yesterday Michael was telling me that I was like a foodie and everything, and so I wanted to show you guys what he was meaning by the foodie and how much, but it was actually on sale today, so it was good. That it got the cream cheese and herbs. It's like a steak and spinach wrap in the middle. Delicious. So we got the meat, we got olives, and we got the mashed potatoes. I'm having a cup of chocolate milk. Oh, where'd it go? Is that your mustache, Emery? Yeah. Oh, you got a big mustache there. She has a big mustache for a little girl. Yeah, you got a big mustache, Em. How does mustaches stick to your face? I don't know. Let's ask Papa.
What?
How do you stick your mustache to your face?
Well, myself, I wake up in the morning, pick hair off the bathroom floor, and then spit and stick it down there. It just stays.
So is that how you got your mustache?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just trying to do this today.
Oh, okay.
This is where mustaches go.
Yeah.
It won't fit because it's rich.
Oh no.
Oh, nice try. Yeah, nice try. You're fucking dead. I'm gonna get you.
I scared him. Finally, I scared him, and I didn't have the camera with me. I just went in there on a fluke, and it's like, if I don't have the camera with me, he doesn't get scared. But I scared him.
You gotta sleep sometime. Maybe the next hour and a half, actually. Get you, my pretty. Give me a little dog, too.
You suck.
Wait, because you want to get your little dog? Wait a sec. Huh? A punk? A punk?
Tickle you. Tickle you. Don't tickle you. Toby, get Daddy.
Yeah, get daddy.
Get him. What do you want? What? I think you need to speak louder, Toby. I can't hear you. You have to speak louder. What? Are you talking back to me? What? You are? What is up with that? That's really mean. Hey. Hey.
What's up, buddy?
Hey, Whitney. What you doing? Ooh, not fun at all. What are you?
I'm doing an eyebrow thing.
Eyebrow dance. Here.
And that was our exciting face dance.
No, back to the vlog.
Your face dance was better than mine.
It's because I have more facial expressions than you do.
Anyway, I guess she's going to work. I'm not. Not yet. There's still hope. Keeping the fingers crossed. Oh no! I'm not touching your face. But my hand is as big as your entire head. Sorry.
We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Peace.
Peace out, you guys. You guys. Cheeky.
Cheeky.
Alright, you ready? You ready? You ready?
Don't you get it. Kick your ass, man. Tell him, kick your ass.
And my tails. I sure they don't come right there. Good job, Toby. Okay, so Michael is on his smartphone, and I'm on